Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to create and manage roles within Xima CCaaS. On the right hand side, you'll notice the ellipsis tool, the dot. Click on that and then click on Manage Roles. At first sight, you'll see a few different roles here that popped up. Some of them have a pencil, which means they are editable, and some that do not have a pencil. We'll talk about each of these. First one, the pencil. Click on here, I can go in and select specific agents, or rather add agents to this existing role. Just like that. I'll go back into that, manage roles, and to give you a little more insight on these ones without a pencil, these are associated to the skill themselves. You'll notice that in the parentheses, we have the word skill. So these are set up automatically as a role based upon who is assigned to that particular skill group. If you want to have these roles change, you do so on the admin portal under the skill configuration. For more information on that, watch the skill configuration video on our website. Last thing is if you want to make a role from scratch, go down here and type in a role. I type the word testing role. Testing role pops up and it's an editable option. Click here and then go in here and select individual users. That's how you create a role.